Hey everyone, this is Alexander at All Security Equipment, and today we're going to compare the three models of the CAPX series. So we have here the CAPXLV2, which is the biggest and most capable one, the CAPXM, and then the CAPXS. All of these devices are amazing and have specific use, and that's why they come in three different sizes. All three of them come with a 720p screen. So this one is going to be a 10-inch, 7-inch, and 5-inch. They all work the same. They all have been battle tested in freezing condition, extreme heat condition, to make sure that these devices will last a long time. All of these three devices come with a LiftMaster 2-year warranty on the device. They all have the same camera, so screen is 720p, and the camera, which you have here, here, and here, is a 1080p camera and 25 frames per second, which is perfect for maximizing the bandwidth for video transmission. The three devices all have a wired or a Wi-Fi connection capable. They all have also local storage, which is great in the event you lose connection, in the event there is a power outage or something like that. Those machines can still work like nothing happened with the local memory. So of course, each of them have a different level of memory, but all of them have memory on the device itself to make sure it can work in any condition. Okay, and now that we've gone over all of the similarities and the common points of these machines, we're gonna go over the differences and what makes them great for their use. So we're gonna start with the CAPXS. So the CAPXS can control only one axis. And the idea is Intercom was really made for small apartment buildings, private residence, or back door. So for example, you can have at the entrance of the building the CAPXM or the CAPXLV2, and then on a side door or back door, you can use the CAPXS. So here is the CAPXS with its 5-inch screen. It's made out of plastic to make it lighter and easy to install. It has a little bracket in the back, so you attach that to the wall, and then you can use all of the connection, power, Ethernet, and any other connection in the back. Very easy to set up, small footprint, perfect for a small building or a back door or any other place where you don't want to have a huge machine in the front. The CAPXM is a great device for apartment buildings, more urban settings. You have tons of accessories to mount it flush, mount it on a pedestal, so it fits architecturally the way you want at the property. This device can manage up to 2 doors and also can be wirelessly connected to a gate operator, as long as it's the newer version of the LiftMaster gate operators. So no need to run wires, you can just set it up and connect it wirelessly to the LiftMaster gate operator. It also will allow you to know and control the gate operators from the myQ community software platform. And here is the CAPXM. So CAPXM 7-inch screen, you can have installed behind a card reader, fob reader, whatever you want, postal code provision, speakers, camera, and then this one you would have to open it to get all of the controls, the power, Ethernet, etc., which makes it very practical when it's attached on the wall. The front just falls in the front, and then you can install everything very easily. This is a great looking one. It is all metal, and it's great. It's very sleek, perfect for urban environment where you don't have a huge wide space, but more like a narrow space, and it looks great, performs great, and has all the similar capacities as the CAPXLV2, just in a smaller format. And then the CAPXLV2, of course, the big one, the most powerful one. This one has up to 8 controls, and this is great, for example, in an HOA where you have homes, and so you would have, for example, 2 doors at the front plus 2 barrier gates, and then a door on the side. You can control all of them with that unit. And you can use this also for apartment buildings, because you can also have 2 inputs for elevators, and you can of course increase that with another control card, but this is really the most powerful one. So for big buildings, big properties, etc., this is the one I would recommend to everybody. And here is the CAPXLV2, which is really the masterpiece of the intercom from LiftMaster, with this huge screen. Same thing where you can add a reader here, postal lock provision. Very, very sleek, super elegant. This really makes a big statement when you get to a building, when you get to a gated community of a beautiful entrance, beautiful intercom. Same idea as the CAPXM. You open it, fold it down, and you have all of the controls inside, which makes it very easy to service and to set up when you install it. It has also all of the features of trims, trim kits, so you can have it recessed, hoods, so you protect it from the sun and the elements, pedestal mount. Everything you need is on this. This is truly the best intercom you can get today on the market. So as we said, the CAPXLV2 has 4 Wigan inputs, 8 monitored inputs. This one, the CAPXM 2, and then this, the CAPXS, only 1. All of them can be used together separately on the myQ community software, which is the software you need to run these devices. It's cloud-based, has apps for the management, apps for the residents. You can control anything you want, and this is really amazing. And when you pair it with a gate operator, you also can control and monitor the gate operator status on the platform. At All Security Equipment, we always wanted to make it as easy as possible for you when you come and install, when you receive your products. So we offer on the product page a ready up service. So what is that ready up service for? Well, it's very simple. LiftMaster and the software myQ community, which is the software you use to run those machines, evolves constantly and constantly add new features, constantly gets better. Literally every week it gets better. This software, which is truly amazing, and all at no cost and no extra cost, because you have the monthly fee. And so what we do at All Security Equipment is that we will open the device, we will power it on, we will test all the inputs, outputs, test the camera, make sure everything works, test the internet connection, and then update to the latest firmware. So when you receive it, it is ready to install, and we can catch if there is any problem before shipping. And at All Security Equipment, we always want to give you the best experience and the best offers, and so we are currently running a great promo. CAPXS ships free. The CAPXM and CAPXLV2, we are offering 6 months free of the myQ community, the cloud platform, the software you use to run these 2 devices. 6 months free. That is a $420 value. Very easy. You buy it on the site, and as soon as you're ready to set up your device, we'll send you the coupon code that you would add into the software, and that would give you the 6 months for free for the base subscription. So I don't know what you're waiting, but get on allsecurityequipment.com, give us a call, and we'll be happy to help you and make your installation project a great success.